What's up, everybody? Nic DeSeelhorst here with eXp Realty. Today, I'm walking through a beautiful Sego home in Daybreak. It's the Adventurer floor plan. That is a 3,800 square foot home. It can be anywhere from 3 to 6 bedrooms and 2.5 to 4.5 bathrooms. It's a really amazing floor plan. You'll notice when we walk through it here right now. Enjoy it. Spend some time with me walking through the Sego's home Adventurer floor plan. Now, we're going to be talking a lot about the Sego home difference and what they do differently as far as green sustainability, indoor air quality standards, but they also do some really cool features like this package delivery. So you can have your delivery guy slip it in right here and you can access that, and they don't have to go inside your house. You're not open to any kind of theft or burglary outside your house. So those little details are really cool and innovative that you're not seeing all developers do these days. Welcome to the primary bedroom of the Adventurer floor plan. It's got amazing vaulted ceilings, beautiful size, king size bed. You can definitely fit end tables here. You can walk right out onto this outdoor patio that's right behind you all, as well as your primary bathroom just off the side here. It's a really spacious, beautiful primary bedroom looking out over the braided creek that runs down into the water course, where you're going to be able to rent kayaks and paddle boards and really enjoy the views of the Wasatch Front and enjoy the time outside. Something that's really cool that Sego does is their 100% indoor air quality plus certified system. So the air quality in your home is going to be substantially better than a lot of the other homes in the area or other homes that you can buy just in the resale market around Salt Lake City. Unless it is that it's a really high importance to you and you go ahead and install those systems to make your air quality that much better. You get it from day one with a Sego home, which is really cool. So we're going to continue talking about these amazing features, but this is the amazing primary bedroom of the Adventurer floor plan. Let's keep walking through. Now this is a primary bathroom. Got that standalone tub, 2 separate vanities, so you can really each have your own sink and cabinet space and place to get ready. You're not bumping elbows, you're not bumping into each other. You got plenty of room to walk by one another, so whoever has this front pedestal doesn't need to worry about their husband, myself, bumping into their wife like I do regularly and upsetting her morning routine or evening routine or whatever she's trying to do to get ready for. You can really separate that and enjoy your space, enjoy your own time, and enjoy the comfort of this primary bathroom. If you're not taking a tub in this beautiful standalone tub, you're taking a shower in this beautifully designed master shower. And then you've got your walk-in closet right behind you that's big enough for both parties to enjoy, because, you know, not a lot of people have a walk-in closet and another closet where one party gets to enjoy the walk-in and the other has to find somewhere else to store their clothes. So yeah, it's pretty big. And again, like I said, Sego does some really cool things that you can add on to your plan. One of those things in a Sego home is you've got this laundry pass-through. So when you're doing laundry day, you can gather all your dirties here in the closet and just pass it on through to the laundry room and get that chore done. So really cool. They really think about everything. If it's not the health and quality and high efficiency of the house, it's these little touches that are just going to make your life that much easier and more enjoyable when you're experiencing your home and at a beautiful community like this. So they really do go above and beyond and think of everything to make you and your family's life that much easier and more enjoyable. So let's continue walking through the adventure. Now I'm going to cut the audio out, obviously, because there's some gnarly lawnscaping going on behind me, but I just wanted to highlight this outdoor patio that you've got right off your primary bedroom and just show you kind of the space and livability of this area It's a beautiful spot. You got some amazing views, and you can definitely hang out here with your family and friends, enjoy the surround sound music, enjoy the evening weather, and just be a member of the community, just enjoying life however you deem fit. Now here's that laundry room with that laundry room pass through. So it's really so cool. It's so ingenious and so simple to do. So if not buying a Sego home, implement that into your next build, and you'll definitely see some happy faces and really save you time on laundry day. And not every home you walk through is going to have a spacious bedrooms throughout the house. So these bedrooms, they're not just pumping in those numbers to say that they've got 6 bedrooms, but the bedrooms are actually really sizable and comfortable, spacious for you, younger family members, older family members. This one has a really cool deck off the side of it, so it's really kind of the feel of a second primary without the ensuite. But it's definitely spacious, room enough to have like a queen, maybe a king size bed, and then having that additional space off the outside of the house so that you can enjoy some evening or morning weather, morning meditation, morning journaling, reading your book, whatever it might be. It's just a really nice little cherry on top. Beautiful open style concept to these homes, which is really nice for efficiency as well as just livability. People are definitely seeking out these style homes for a reason. One, it's a great way to actually enjoy your company and spend time with family and friends. But 2, it just looks really nice. I mean, let's be real. This place looks stunning, and it's something that you'll find in a lot of the Sego homes, which is really nice because they do try and meet every certification. They do everything they can to make the experience more enjoyable, as well as things like the Energy Star certification. So the home is super efficient. It's a high efficiency house, and it meets a lot of the standards, and they install all the appliances and things like that. That's going to make your house that much more efficient, lower your utility bills, and just increase that livability and comfort that you're seeking when buying a new construction home. Because when you're looking for a new construction house, you're really looking for those top of the line features, comforts, and styles that you're not going to find in the resale of a house, say, Sugar House or downtown or the Avenues, where you're going to be dealing with a lot of older home issues, whether it's plumbing, electrical, historic, things like that. So a new Sego home where you're banking on the high efficiency of the house, the comfort, the livability, and just the open concept that you're seeing on all, the HGTV shows, you're going to find that here. So just off your gorgeous kitchen here, and you've got a lovely sizable pantry, which is really nice for storing all the things that you don't want to keep out when you've got company. You can really stash everything back here. Your coffee makers, your mixers, your breakfast cereals, just all the things you don't really want to keep out and distract and take away from the enjoyable experience that you're providing for you and your guests. You can store back here in your pantry. And something that's really cool that you just want to note, here in Daybreak, they've got a lot of really cool events you can take advantage of. Things like concerts, pickleball tournaments, just these events that you can actually tap into that spirit of community and enjoy your friends who live in the area, or make new friends who you didn't know already, who live right next door and you didn't even know it. Tap into the community of Daybreak. It's a really beautiful, diverse community that is lively and spirited and really has character, because the master plan community stands out more than some of the other places that you're going to find around Salt Lake. Now, with 3 to 6 bedrooms, you've got a lot of options on the Adventurer floor plan. So you can turn things into a gym, an office, maybe even another closet. If your significant other takes up the whole room in the walk-in closet and you got to make a whole other room a closet, you can do that. But you've got a lot of space to really enjoy the Adventurer floor plan. Down here, you've got an amazing basement and comfortable living space with plenty of storage. You've got room to put a dishwasher. You've got this wet bar here, so you can have multiple uses in this space. You can obviously change it up how you want. Whatever design aspect that you're going for, you will implement. But you've got this additional bedroom down here, which is really spacious and comfortable. Again, like every other bedroom here. I will say there was serious rain that happened a few weeks ago, and Sego Homes had no issues of flooding in their homes, which is a really testament to the build quality of their homes, as well as the function of their windowsills. They actually do serve a purpose with rainwater runoff, drainage, as well as being able to get out of the house in a hurry. They obviously meet all code standards and things like that, but it's a testament to the build quality when you don't see any indications of flooding and reports of flooding in a home that was built new in an area that had drastic downpours of rain. And a lot of homes in the area did suffer and see a lot of flooding happen. You're not seeing that here. So it's a great indicator of the house that you're buying is of quality and comfort and livability. And they really do care about these things, and they want to make your experience that much more enjoyable. So like I said, you can turn a lot of the rooms in this floor plan, the Adventurer floor plan, into whatever it is you'd like. This is technically an office in how this house is currently developed, but you can actually push this back wall out and make it a main floor primary suite, which would be really cool. Similar to the suite upstairs, you've got this outdoor living space right off the kitchen area, which is really nice. Enjoy family and friends and community. You've got this little fire pit that you can put in. But yeah, a huge office, really comfortable, beautiful use of this space. But if you wanted to push that wall out and make it a primary, you could, which is really cool, super flexible, and another way to just increase the diversity of your house, whatever it is that you're prioritizing in the development of your home, whether you're getting into the house early on and you can make a lot of these adjustments, amazing, or if you're buying the house as it is now, you can use it and enjoy it and love it just as it is, and how they've developed it for you. All right, y'all, so that was the Adventurer floor plan. As you'll notice here, you just got this really cool outdoor living patio with these massive sliding doors. It's not going to be on every option. The sliding doors are an option that you do choose. It's a higher expense, obviously, because it's a really high efficient door. So those things do come with a certain level of price and indication. But this is the top of the line model of options of the Adventurer floor plan. So this house will eventually become something that you can purchase, because when they run out of inventory, they're going to have to sell the model home. So this is a great option for you in the future. If we've already sold out of the Adventurer floor plan, you want to get in, this one might be the one that you're then bidding on. But that was the Adventurer floor plan. Thank you all for coming with me on this tour of this model home for Sego Homes here in Daybreak. If you liked this property tour, please do like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you thought of the home down below. We are going to tour more of the Sego Homes because they are amazing. I really appreciate the quality of home that they're building with the high efficiency standards, as well as the healthy indoor air quality and other design aspects of their homes. Their low VOC paints, their minimum toxicity material standards on their lists are really important for people today. And even if they're not important, you're buying a house that is going to benefit you and your family, even if you don't care about these standards or these levels of living. So again, thanks again, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace, and I love you all.